Waking up in the beautiful mountains overlooking the sea, we started our descent towards the final days of the Camino. We begin the journey through the stone and water route and arrive in Vilanova de Rosa for the night. This section features over 30 restored watermills. I don't know. I was quite tired at this point in the journey. I started to film less and less. What you don't see is the beautiful, long, winding green path along the streams with small vineyards and the occasional horse watching us as we walk by. There's so many of them. That is so cool. Do you have a preference for front or back? After staying the night in Vilanova de Rosa, we take the boat through the Arosa estuary and up the Ula River to Pontescuras. This takes us along the Traslatio route, a 28-kilometer maritime way. This is the only official boat stage in the original sea route of the Camino. This follows the final journey of the body of the Apostle of St. James. He was one of the first disciples of Jesus. Along the route, you can see the 17 stone crosses that mark the way. You can also walk this route, but the boat is more traditional. According to legend, the beheaded body of St. James was transferred by the sea in a stone boat.
Here is a celebrate the festival Viking.
Making our way from Padron on foot, we ended the day in O Miladoro, about 7 kilometers from Santiago. We stayed the night in Casa Rural das Bantinas, a beautiful historic home in a small village. This was the perfect, peaceful night before finishing our journey.
difficult to get here?
A little bit, but we figured it out. Our final morning was early, rainy, and rushing to Santiago, as I had a plane to catch.
4.5.
This iPhone footage covers the last 2 or so hours, laughing in the rain, crossing the highway, and finally making it to Santiago. The longest part of this final day, waiting in line to get our Compostela certificate. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Buen Camino.